Here we have my Climate Keeper 12-inch oscillating table fan. This is the second video of it, at least. And yeah. Now this fan I got for $5 from an auction, but honestly, the fan when I got it, it was really dirty. If you remember the cleaning video that I did this fan, that did really well. It's just that the Hampton Bay or fully black mainstays table fan was way dirtier than this thing was. At least I know. I don't even know if the shaft was full of hair. Well, on this one, the 12-inch Medea one was had hair all over the shaft, and it needed to be pulled off. But anyway, here's this thing. I believe it's made by Comfort Zone because of the blades and the way the guard goes on. I think this is technically a Comfort Zone fan as well. Because apparently the Comfort Zone desk fans have these types of buttons. Instead of the buttons I usually see on the Medea oscillating fans right here, that are Polonis right here. This is my main oscillating fan for the longest time until I got like this, the other 6. But yeah, it's got the infamous blue and red logo. It's a little scratched up, but yeah, the buttons. This one starts from low, medium, high, instead of off, high, medium, low. So yeah, the switch plate is kind of backwards. At least that's all I know. But yeah, it's got the same blades as the Comfort Zone wall fan, except this is a 12-inch fan. This is a 16-inch fan. It would have a climate key. I wish I would have the pedestal version. There actually does exist a pedestal version of this fan. It's just that I have not found it. So yeah, but I'd guarantee that it has the exact same blade as the Comfort Zone wall fan. This one honestly feels a lot cheaper than the Polonis. The blades are a lot thinner, and therefore they spin kind of a little bit faster. There's the back of it, if you can see it here. It's even more lighter than the Polonis, actually. The information tag on the bottom, it's right here, actually. Climate Keeper. It's pretty cool looking motor vent design, but the oscillator does work as well. So now, let's go and give it a test run now. So I'll start up on low speed. Yeah, it's very quiet, as you can hear. This is a nice fan for the collection. Very quiet. As you can tell, it probably has the same motor as the Polonis, but it actually spins faster. But yeah. So there's low speed. Here's medium. And high. And the oscillation, which So yeah, I ran this in a while. Yeah, so yeah, Common Zone, no, Clan Keeper, Torch Oscillator, and Table Fan. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next fan video. Peace.